for the hell of it. Okay. So there's a couple good ones, huh?
Oh yeah.
Get down over here.
Look at this thing.
Right over here. I'm connected through.
As I get older, I'm more of a bay guy now. Because I can't compete with guys like freaking Johnny Dutchy.
You and Steve, huh? You got to get permission from Steve to surf in the bay.
So even in your 4.3, you're calling 59. That's what it felt like?
Yeah.
Shit, I got both suits, so I'm going to wear the
But you'll be okay with the sun.
I don't have it. I got the 2 mil and the